Hello guys, today I wanted to make a short video to show you the differences when downloading a device with extended frames or without extended frames. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to upgrade and downgrade the application program in a Z41 from ETS from 3.1 to 3.5 and vice versa. So here we have the same Z41 with two completely different configurations, application program 3.5 and application program 3.1. As you can see, we are using all 96 functions in the Z41, 12 pages by 8 buttons each. And we are even using different group addresses. This is to make sure that we are sending a completely different program when upgrading and downgrading the device. Now, the first thing you want to check in your project, in the project details, is that you are not using slowed bus communication. This slowed bus communication option will actually stop the project from using extended frames when downloading a device. So you want to make sure that is not selected. Back to the ETS. What we have right now is a Z41 with application program 3.5, which I just downloaded. And what we are going to do is we are going to park this one and use the same individual address in the Z41 with application program 3.1 to send the new application program to that device. So we are downgrading the application program. Now, I fast forwarded this a little bit, so you don't have to wait for all the process, and it should take around 3 minutes. There you go. And yeah, that has taken 3 minutes and 16 seconds to downgrade the software from application program 3.5 to 3.1. So now we're going to do it the other way around. We are going to upgrade the application program. We park this one and we use the same individual address, 201, in the Z41 Pro with application program 3.5. And again, we download application. This should take almost the same time, so around 3 minutes. But you don't have to wait because, again, I've fast forwarded this a little bit. And there you go. Again, 3 minutes and 16 seconds to upgrade from one application program to another. This is because the device, the KNX interface, is actually using extended frames. We are sending a lot of information, but the use of extended frames allows us to do this in 3 minutes. Now, I'm going to select the use slowed bus communication, which would be like using a KNX interface that does not allow for extended frames. And I'm going to just repeat the process. So I'm going to park this one, going to take the 3.1, use the same individual address, 201, and download the application program. I've also fast forwarded this a little bit, and you will notice it takes longer than the previous downloads. There you are. Almost 30 minutes with the use of standard frames. So it has taken almost 10 times longer than it did with the extended frames. We repeat the process and now we upgrade from 3.1 to 3.5. And again, please note this, the downloading process is being fast forwarded, so you don't have to wait for 30 minutes. And now let's check. And there you go. Again, 30 minutes, almost 31, to upgrade from version 3.1, from application program 3.1 to 3.5. And that's just because we are using slowed bus communication, which is almost the same thing as saying that we are using a KNX interface that does not support extended frames. You can see that the difference is massive. So you go from 3 minutes to almost 30 minutes. So you want to make sure that you use a KNX interface that supports extended frames, which is the case of all the Zenio KNX interfaces.